2020 Subaru Legacy. Customer states doesn't start, but the lights come on, so it can't be the battery. Oh, the battery's dead. How do I know? 9 point something volts. There, turn on the jump box. Try it again. There we go. Look at that. So, take that for what you will. That's just a dead battery. I don't know, you can't read that, but it says 14.2. This jump box got a little multimeter on, so you can tell the alternator's charging. So, the battery's dead, but the alternator's okay. But something you'll have to keep in mind is a lot of these modern cars, they don't sit very well. So if you don't drive your car every couple days, it might kill batteries faster. So, hope that helps.